A stain on your furniture is certain. Life can be messy sometimes, but that does not mean your furniture should be. Follow these 4 tips to keep your upholstered furniture looking brand new. Avoid direct sunlight. Most upholstered pieces are made of delicate fabrics, leather, and leatherette material. Keep your furniture away from windows, or use curtains to prevent any damage from the sun's rays. Clean furniture regularly. The best way to keep dust, dirt or crumbs at bay is to make it a habit to vacuum regularly. If you ever spot a stain on your beautiful trifold piece, wipe it off immediately with a soft cloth or a soft bristled brush for sensitive fabrics paired with an upholstery cleaning solution. Use stain protection. Spraying a protective seal over your furniture soon after receiving it lengthens the lifespan of the material. When in doubt, read your furniture tags. Do not throw away the tags just yet. Often, they contain specific cleaning instructions for the materials of your furniture. If you have already tossed the tag, a simple online search of the material may be helpful to finding out how to maintain your stylish piece. Indulge yourself with luxurious furniture you deserve. Visit us at www.trifolddesign.com.